Good morning. How are you all? Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter in our course book, and that is A Dog Loves Cakes. Okay, so now you are going to listen to Pushpanjali ma'am very carefully because I am going to explain this chapter to you in this video. Fine. So the title again I am repeating. It says A Dog Loves Cakes. Clear? Mr. Jones is an old man. He lives alone in his cottage. His best friend is Toffee, his dog. Okay, so the name of the person is Mr. Jones, and he's an old man, and he's all alone. Nobody else is, no other human being is living along with him. He is all alone in his cottage, and he has a pet dog. His name is Toffee, and he is Mr. Jones' best friend. So there are two characters in the story, Mr. Jones and Toffee. As far as this paragraph is concerned, we came to know that these two characters are there in the story. Every day, Mr. Jones follows the same routine. He gets up late in the mornings, he has a wash, and then he goes out for a walk. Okay, now what happens? That every day Mr. Jones is following this. Even we have a routine in the morning that we get up, we brush our teeth, then we have some milk, and then we take our bath, we have our breakfast. So this is our routine. Whatever in which way you start your day and how you carry on, this is called the routine. वो आपका routine होता है. So every day Mr. Jones follows the same routine. He had the same routine. He gets up late in the mornings. He never got up early. He used to get up late. He has a wash. That means he takes a shower. And then he goes out for a walk. Okay. He takes Toffee with him. He first goes to the coffee shop at the corner. He drinks a cup of coffee and eats a slice of fruit cake. The cake is for 2 rupees. Toffee sits under his chair. He gives him a little cake. Okay, now this story says that every day Mr. Jones was following the same routine. He used to get up late in the morning, then he had a wash, and then he goes out for a walk. Okay, and who goes along with him? Toffee, his pet dog, who was his best friend. He used to go along with Mr. Jones. Okay, he first goes to the coffee shop, which was at the corner. He drinks a cup of coffee and eats a slice of fruit cake. Okay, what is the cost of fruit cake given in the story? It is for 2 rupees. Okay, Toffee sits under Mr. Jones' chair. So Toffee used to sit under his chair. He gives him a little cake. So whatever cake, whatever slice he was having, the fruit cake he was having, he used to share it with Toffee by giving him a little cake. Okay, then Mr. Jones crosses the road and buys a newspaper. He gives the paper to Toffee. Toffee holds it gently between his teeth and carries it home. He feels proud doing so. Okay, now what happened? That Mr. Jones used to wake up late in the morning. He used to wake up late in the morning. Then he had a wash, and then he goes out for a walk, and he used to take Toffee along with him. Then he drinks a cup of coffee which at the coffee shop, which was at the corner. Then he also had a slice of fruit cake along with it, and he used to give a little fruit cake to Toffee also, who used to sit under his chair. Then what happened? Then what Mr. Jones used to do? He used to cross the road and buy a newspaper, and he used to give it to Toffee. Now Toffee used to keep it in his mouth between his teeth, and he used to carry it gently to home. He feels proud doing so. Like it was his daily routine that he used to buy the newspaper, then Toffee used to keep it in his mouth and carry it to home. So Toffee felt proud in doing so. Last month, Mr. Jones fell ill. He could not leave his bed. The doctor told him, "You have got the flu." Now, Mr. Jones could not go out to get his daily newspaper. He thought of a plan. He gave a 2 rupee coin to Toffee. Like a rocket, the dog shot off. Like a rocket, the dog shot off. Okay, now what happened that last month Mr. Jones fell ill. He fell ill. Okay, he could not leave his bed. He could not leave his bed when he was ill. So the doctor, what did the doctor tell him? The doctor told him that he has got the flu. He has got the flu. Okay, now Mr. Jones could not go out because no other human being was living along with Mr. Jones. So Mr. Jones could not go out to get his daily newspaper. Now he thought of a plan. He gave a 2 rupee coin to Toffee. Okay, he gave it to Toffee. Like a rocket, the dog shot off and came back with the newspaper in his mouth. So that was very intelligent of Mr. Jones to think of this plan, that he gave that money to Toffee, and because Toffee was well aware of the ways and the person also, the newspaper seller also. So like a rocket goes very fast. So like this speed, with this speed, even the dog shot off, and even the dog went, and he came back along with the newspaper in his mouth. Okay. After a week, Mr. Jones went out. Okay. Now, the newspaper seller told him, "You owe me 14 rupees. Now, what do you mean by owe? That means you have to give me 14 rupees. Okay, because for a week Mr. Jones was not able to get out of his house because he got the flu. So for 7 days, for a week, Rocket used to get the daily newspaper, and the cost of the newspaper was 2 rupees. So according to it, the newspaper seller said that you owe me 14 rupees. That means you have to give me 14 rupees. Your dog took 7 newspapers and didn't bring any money. Okay, so now this thing was said by the newspaper seller to Mr. Jones, that you owe me 14 rupees, you have to give me 14 rupees, and your dog took 7 newspapers and he didn't bring any money. Now, Mr. Jones was surprised. "I'll find out what Toffee has been up to," he said to himself, because Mr. Jones used to give 2 rupee coin to Toffee daily. Okay, and he used to bring that newspaper daily. So he thought that Toffee always gave that 2 rupee coin to the newspaper seller. Now newspaper seller is saying that you have to give me 14 rupees. Now Mr. Jones was surprised, and he said to himself that I need to find out what Toffee is up to. Like what, where is the money? Where is the money? Okay, he had to find out that where has that money gone. Next morning, he gave Toffee a 2 rupee coin. The dog dashed out. That dashed out means again with a speed, the dog came out of the house. Mr. Jones followed him. He saw the dog go to the coffee shop. Toffee put the coin on the counter and got a piece of fruit cake and gobbled it up. Oh my God! See, in the starting of the chapter also, the cost of the cake was also disclosed, that it is also of 2 rupees, and the paper was also of 2 rupees. Now because Toffee was in a habit of eating a little cake, when Mr. Jones used to share a slice of fruit cake, a little piece of that fruit cake along with him, so he also had a habit of eating that fruit cake daily. Now because Mr. Jones got the flu and he was not able to come out of his house, so Toffee used to take that 2 rupee coin, go to the coffee shop. At the counter, he placed that 2 rupee coin and he got a slice of fruit cake, and he used to gobble it up, means he ate it in one go. एक साथ खा लिया. Naughty dog, said Mr. Jones. Toffee heard his master's voice. He came to Mr. Jones and hung his head in shame. Okay, so Toffee was really very naughty. So Mr. Jones, when he saw that Toffee was doing this thing, so Mr. Jones said, "Naughty dog," and Toffee recognized his master's voice, and he came to Mr. Jones and he hung his head in shame. Mr. Jones patted Toffee. Patted means like this. When you do a good job, even your parents, they say na, shabash, very good. So Mr. Jones patted Toffee and said, "Don't do this again." Now Toffee does not even look at the coffee shop. Oh my God. Okay. When his master goes there, he sits outside and wags his tail. What do you mean by wags his tail? जैसे dogs अपनी tail को ऐसे हिलाते हैं, they move their tail like this. So now when Mr. Jones patted Toffee and he said that don't do this again, so Toffee didn't even look at the coffee shop. And whenever Mr. Jones went to that coffee shop, he used to sit outside. Earlier he used to sit under his chair. Now after this incident, he used to sit outside the coffee shop and he used to wag his tail. Okay. Now once Mr. Jones gave him a big slice of cake, but Toffee did not eat it. Often Mr. Jones tells him, "You are the best dog in the world." Then he seems to glow with pride and joy. Wonderful story. So what happened that when Mr. Jones wanted to find out that where that money was going, because he used to give him a 2 rupee coin daily for 7 days. So 14 rupees, where that 14 rupees has gone. So one day he gave that dog, he gave Toffee a 2 rupee coin and he followed him. So what happened that Toffee went to the coffee shop and he put that 2 rupee coin on the counter and he had that slice of cake and he ate it. Now Mr. Jones was surprised and he said, "The naughty dog." So Toffee, after hearing his master's voice, he came to Mr. Jones and he hung his head in shame. Why did he hung his head in shame? Because he was feeling sorry. He was feeling sorry that he did this thing. Mr. Jones patted Toffee and said that don't do this again. Okay, now Toffee never entered that coffee shop even, and he used to never look at that coffee shop. And whenever Mr. Jones went inside, he used to sit outside the coffee shop and he wags his tail. Now when Mr. Jones bought him a slice of cake, Toffee did not eat it. He said no, he did not eat it. Now Mr. Jones always told him that you are the best dog in the world. And after listening to this, Toffee used to see, by this story we know that of all the animals, the dog is the most intelligent one of all. And from this story, after reading out this story, all of us will agree that Toffee was a very intelligent one. Yes, Toffee was very intelligent. So when Mr. Jones appreciated Toffee and he said that you are the best dog in the world, so he used to glow with pride and joy. He used to be very happy. Fine. So I hope that this was a wonderful story and everyone must have understood this story. Give this story a reading. Give this chapter a reading. Very nicely you can read it out, and it's a wonderful story. It's a wonderful story. Yes? Fine. So we'll meet again in our next video, in my next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.